Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to show you 3 unique ways you can earn money using ChatGPT. Let's get started. Number 1. Providing expert homework service in Chegg. Chegg is a popular online learning platform that provides students with access to study materials, tutors, and more. By using ChatGPT in Chegg, you can offer valuable question and answer services to students while also generating income for yourself. First, sign up and create an account in Chegg. Open expert question and answer platform, and see the various questions asked by students and start answering those questions using ChatGPT. Just give a simple tweaks in the answer to make students understand easily. For each question answered, you can charge money from students. You can even provide online tutoring, sell study material, and offer writing assistance in Chegg. Some of the similar websites like chegatutor.com, Skillshare and Outschool etc. Number 2. E-book selling. By using ChatGPT in Amazon Kindle, you can write high-quality books and generate income by selling them on the platform. To get started, you'll need to set up an Amazon Kindle account. You can do this by visiting the Amazon Kindle website and signing up for an account. Then you can use ChatGPT to write your book by inputting topic and relevant information. For example, write a 50 pages kids moral story. You can use a word processing software or a specialized e-book writing software such as Word or Google Docs to create and format your e-book. Once your book is written, you can publish it on Amazon Kindle. You'll need to provide Amazon with the necessary information, such as the book title, description, and cover image, and you'll also need to set a price for your book. Promote your books through social media to drive more sales. Some of the websites where you can sell same books are Apple Books, Google Play Books etc. Number 3. Offer your language translation services to individuals, businesses, and organizations who need high-quality translations. You can charge a fee for your services, or you can negotiate a flat rate or a revenue share for your translations. For example, create an account in Fiverr or Upwork where you can offer language translation to clients and charge money. You can use ChatGPT to translate documents from one language to another, and charge a fee for your services from the clients. If you like the content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.